I'd like to take a moment here and show you how to test a diode and explain what a diode is. Now, a diode is like a fuse, but a diode only allows current to flow one direction. Now, a fuse allows current to flow both directions. We can take it out of its slot, rotate it, and reinsert. And with a diode, current is only able to come in one direction and out the other. They're designed to eliminate backflow, so if you have a battery drain issue, check your diode. Let's take a moment and talk about the symbol of the diode. Now, at first glance, it looks like a triangle. Triangle meaning three angles, three sides. It's actually in reference to an arrow. Now, this arrow is on a line, and it's pointing to the direction of current flow. This line here keeps current from coming back the opposing direction. So for this diode to work properly, current has to flow on our right side and come out the left. Current is unable to come from the left side and come out the right. Our picture matches our prongs. So if our arrow is pointing this direction from right to left, that means positive is coming in our right side, coming over and following out the left. Or leaving, I guess you could say. We'll go through a test on this diode. We have our meter set up to a diode setting. You can see here an open line displayed and a diode reading on the top. Of course, with our meter, red is positive, black is negative. If we follow our orientation of our picture, we have an arrow pointing to the right. So we have our positive lead here on the left, that's going to come in, and current is flowing out the right side. If this diode is good, we should have a closed circuit, meaning we should have a reading on our meter as soon as I touch this side, which we do. Now, an open line means the circuit is not complete. So if I take the other prong and I apply a little pressure, you can see here that we are using the battery power from our meter to flow through our leads, positive through our left side, and then we complete the circuit back to our meter. It's no different than, of course, just touching the leads together. If we flip our diode over, we should not have a reading on our meter because our circuit is not able to complete itself, meaning current is stopping in the diode. As we can see here, we have no complete circuit. And that would be in reference to our symbol. So we just proved that this diode is good because current is not able to flow the opposing direction. Again, we're using the battery power from the meter. Now this diode is bad, so we're going to check this one. We've swapped out our diodes. Now in reference to our symbol, due to current flow, we should not show a reading on the meter. We test our diode. As we can see here, we have a reading on the meter. We'll check opposing direction. And as we can see here, we have a closed circuit. We've just verified there's current flow both directions. This diode is no good. That diode does check out. That there is how we test a diode. This was Ben with BSR. Thanks for joining, folks.